So, Oga water connector man. Oh
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
they show our viewers ready for start.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, they show them you do work when they do.
Yes, sir. This one white material. So, waiting my customer request me use for your house.
Okay.
So this one, you see, we don't finish the work.
My people, on a good morning, or good afternoon, on a good evening. Today na 24 of December. So, Oga water connector man. Good afternoon.
Now good morning, now good afternoon, now good evening.
Maybe I want to talk to you. So my name is Sabone. Whatever your name?
My name is Obina. Water connector. Mr.
Okay.
Water connector.
Okay, what day I come monitor water connector, one of our viewers from the show give you that come monitor for today. You will take me around the walk. When I don't finish and we see there on it. Okay. Before you take me around the walk, so Oga Obina, our viewers when they patronize you through this our shining, what you will tell them for this season?
God's added. Thank you all.
Okay.
Yes, I'm really grateful for your trust. Like, there are some people that even even the trust where I never believe they are even far more. Even the trust where, the trust where they get from me. Okay. I appreciate them. Okay. God will bless you now. God will bless you now. Okay. That place where they see money, say give me money, this water connector. Now say go say give you money go come. Okay. And from that pocket. Okay. I pray for them. Say God will give them the grace, the strength, the hustle. Then I keep on. It's not easy. It's not easy. I appreciate all my customers. You understand? Okay. Those who customers away from afar, we don't call me. Just give money, say they even give money, say I see just that trust is there. Okay. You understand? I appreciate everything. Okay. Yes, I appreciate them. I appreciate them for calling me. Okay. Take their time, call me. Okay. You understand? Even sometimes they give me get that patience. Okay. You understand? I really appreciate. You understand? Okay. I agree to now. God will bless you now. God will really bless you now. Our
viewer, before you give any of our kind, you got to call our number on top of this video. So, Oga water connector man. Oh yeah, sir. They show our viewers ready for start. Okay, sir. Yeah, they show them you do work when they do.
Yes, sir. This one white material. So, waiting my customer request me use for your house. Okay. So this one, you see, we don't finish the work. Okay. See the outer. The gutter and the white gutter. Okay. And see the first dropping here. Okay, and the first dropping.
Okay, make sure our viewers they dropping. Okay. What they take us small.
Right. So on the first dropping there.
I have from here show the as a. Okay, good. Okay.
And so on the second dropping.
Okay, yeah, the second dropping. Okay, may I carry and come down.
You see the clip for there, and this one here.
Okay, and you see clipper.
Yes.
Okay,
yes,
let's go.
Okay, so this one and the joiner, where you join the two gutter together. Why they explain for my previous videos. Okay. Now white joiner be this one. Okay. Okay. So maybe these ones. So this one is the third dropping.
Oh, I'm going to show them this
see this side. So the inner.
Okay, inner
region. This one with the outside and the outer.
Okay, this very one.
They're similar. They be like twins. Okay. This one straight for mouth. This one bent for mouth. Okay. You see them. So this one are the
on that gutter.
That gutter. Okay. So the third dropping now.
Okay, where water for the
yeah to come out. So on the elbow, no see elbow wait you see and go walk. No see two with the up, one day down. Okay. So now be the method. Okay. So go like this now. So this one is the inner. Okay. See the inner. So I see the outer. Okay. See everybody get their own function. Exactly. Inside. Okay.
When they go, when they take us small, they go. And that's the work they go on for this.
Work they go on.
No, see this very gutter too.
So this one now. Now the other pipe is this one. Okay. You see the funnel, the elbow, and the two pipe come down. Okay. Yes, that's why the elbow take.
Yes, that's that is the one they clear.
Yes, and they come out them. Okay. So now the other they do some.
Okay. Well, may I see show them here. Okay. Okay, more they go more they take us small. Okay. Okay, but let's the plumber they work.
The plumber they want to work for you.
Most gently more take us small.
Okay. You see and so. And the other drop in here. Okay. You know say that's where the samples to feed, but they won't do plumbing for you and I make it. And I make it. They can go down small and see suppose the level where the every go reach
okay.
of the artwork. So
Okay.
space go see day for interlocking.
Okay.
Not going to go down like that. So they don't do interlocking now. You know affect them.
Okay.
So this one the other drop before the back of the house.
Okay.
And this one the clip. See the elbow here.
Okay. This is the elbow.
Oh yes.
That one I did. This one I be
the clip or the clip for wall.
Okay.
But the one for inside gutter. Now call a hanger. It
okay.
inside.
Okay.
We use long screw.
Okay.
Now 4 put for one gutter.
Okay.
One we go make and be very solid.
Okay.
So we keep it for that one.
Okay. More they go small.
So if you go now, you see, you don't see joiner for that joiner. And let's see joiner for there. So.
Yeah, softly.
Okay.
Okay, we will fix the road pass here. Or you know what we will do? Go from here, take a more, go back because of the work. We will not spoil this plumbing work.
Not be like.
Right from here, we are show our viewers.
Okay, since now that will be dropping, from there down.
Down here, show our viewers because of the work we need to do here. We not feel climb and go there.
Okay. Gonna plumbing work.
Okay.
So if you see now on that pipe, see there for that side now.
Yes.
On that pipe, see there. So that place where be like say bank go inside,
Okay.
Pipe dey there.
Okay.
I know so not be pass.
We not be pass because of work when they do for ground here.
Okay. So they say work on progress.
Okay.
So one pipe dey there, one dey for the center there because one pipe must dey there because the descent go inside.
Okay.
So make sure water dey come out. So they fall for that pipe for the come down.
Okay.
The one wey dey at the end. So now 3 that dey for this side. So
okay. Okay, we will take them back here. We just follow here back.
Okay, sir.
Because we not just follow here, we not destroy what they do. We just have to take them gently there.
Okay.
Go back here and show our viewers the work we do for here.
Okay, sir.
So, okay, we work on office say we dey.
Sorry, no verse.
We dey disturb you. No verse. Okay. Right, so they show our viewers they go small before we go the other side of the corner.
Okay.
Let us see where you for end down.
All right, sir.
You take them where they go and they show them. Okay. Because you don't explain here.
Yes, sir.
We will take the other side.
Yes, sir. Okay, so so at the frontage.
Okay, now the frontage of the house. Okay.
So see where you put the pipe here, So any water will they come from that side now,
any water they come from here. Okay, we come this side. Okay.
Yes.
You all from here.
So from this side, they come this side.
Okay.
Come down here.
Okay, come down here.
Yes. All the water will come from this side. Will come from there.
Okay.
So now you will be. This one's for your receiver. The down one side will go that side. For that pipe, they come
okay.
There.
Okay. No go first, no.
So see the inner, see the outer.
Okay. My people, why we not follow here come because of work when they go home here. So we got to take her around.
Yes, sir. So this one and the other one where they here, the other pipe now. Why they explain that time where?
Yes. Yes. We did the other side.
So and the pipe dropping. If you notice this one system now. They will put them for this level. Okay. I will see they fill them now. You will see. You
can't take level.
Okay. Can make up.
Okay.
Can make up. So.
Okay. So you come here. Okay, our viewers, water connector man not take me around way for work. Yes, so I'll go ask a few questions concerning the work. Okay, connector man.
Yes, sir.
Like how much your water connector enter this very building?
Okay. What the enter here, with the labor, with the materials and the transportation, everything. Now 350,000 naira, sir.
Okay, your labor, everything there inside.
Yes.
Okay, in case of other for viewer come across this work 2 hours shine, you see do one for them like that. The same house like this.
Yes, even the same house like this, I'll do one for them.
Okay.
So there is transparency. Not we say I can't do this one now. I can't give you high price. Like say yes, and so I didn't know. Okay. But if your house is like this house,
okay,
I will take work out because everything they enter that this house that go enter your house.
Okay.
So if now upstairs, if now upstairs, that's another different price.
Okay.
Because now that one they see the chop material.
Okay.
And require some work on it.
Okay.
So even if the house big part this one here, and those small difference will be like that.
Okay.
So now you'll be. Sir.
Okay. So you quick call your number when I have to reach you.
Okay. My number is 070 69 78 65 09.
Come again.
070
okay
69
Uh-huh.
78
Uh-huh.
65 09.
On that number, they finish the show,
Yes,
okay?
yes, my number
Yeah,
is
quick rush down.
okay. 080 33 88
Okay.
46
Okay.
11.
Okay. My people, I grace of my time I want to watch this video.